Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to enable swipe down for notification panel on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on home screen. After click on home screen, scroll down and you will see if you want to enable swipe down for notification, so you will see swipe down for notification is here. If you want to enable swipe down for notification panel, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, swipe down for notification panel is enabled. After the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can enable swipe down for notification panel on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.